Today's short video is about the different types of software installation method. We have the web-based, media-based, and a single-exe software installation method. Let's begin with the web-based software installation. Let us install uTorrent, an app for downloading different kinds of files. First, open your browser, visit the official website www.utorrent.com, locate and click the download button. Just wait for the download file and click Save. Now that we have the software, it's time to install. Just locate the download file in your download folder. Double-click to install. Click Next. Just follow the installation steps carefully to ensure a smooth experience. Click Agree. The installation process varies on your internet connection since it is web-based software installation. Therefore, it requires internet connectivity. Let us just wait for the installation to finish. Okay? It's now finished. Click Finish. Web-based software installation is done. Let's proceed to the single-exe software installation, the widely used especially on Windows operating system. The first step is to obtain the single-exe installation file. You can usually download this file from the official website or a trusted source. Just open your browser, search the software you want to install, and click the download button. In this case, the single-exe file is already downloaded on my computer. Just locate the download file in your computer and you're few clicks away from installing the software. To install, double-click on the exe file. Follow the on-screen instruction provided by the software's installation wizard. Click Yes. Okay. Next. 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 Install. Single-exe file software installation may not need an internet connection during installation. Only wait for the installation process to complete. Okay. Click Finish. Now let's have the media-based software installation. First step is to obtain the software on physical media. This could be a CD, DVD, USB flash drive, or other type of media that contains software installation files. As usual, locate the software installation file. In this case, I already copied my media-based files into my computer, and I am going to install Adobe CS3 Photoshop. Okay, double-click on the setup file or application file. You can see a setup file here, and its type is application. So this is the file that you are to double-click, and this will launch the software installation process. Follow the on-screen instruction provided by the installation wizard. Okay, just click Accept. Next. Install. After the completion of the installation, on the first running of this Adobe Photoshop CS3, it will ask you the serial number of the software. So it is in the package that a serials is here that you may use upon the first run of the software. Okay, now let us just wait for the installation to finish. Okay, the media-based software installation is finished. Just click finish. And that's all for this video tutorial. I hope this will help you navigate the world of different types of software installation. Thank you for watching.